sailing oh so free. And the sword is the captain.
Oh, I love to pirate dance!
In his pirate pants. Well, come on now, come along with me.
We're taking a trip on the wavy sea.
On the good ship that I saw.
Oh yeah!
Well, come on now, come along with me.
Whoa, we're taking a trip on the wavy sea.
On the good ship that I saw.
Wow!
We'll visit Jamaica.
Oh, at nightfall, gaze at the stars.
Down in Tasmania, the harbor of Sydney.
It's so nice to see. Oh yes indeed.
Down the Circular Quay. Come on now, come along with me.
Oh, we're taking a trip on the wavy sea.
On the good ship that I saw. Well, come on now, come along with me.
Oh, we're taking a trip on the wavy sea.
On the good ship that I saw.
Oh, I love sailing all around the world, me hearties.
Well, come on now, come along with me.
Oh, we're taking a trip on the wavy sea. Wow!
On the good ship that I saw. Well, come on now, come along with me.
Oh, we're taking a trip on the wavy sea.
On the good ship that I saw.
On the good ship, Feather Sword. Ho-ho! This is the best ship I ever had. Ah!
Come on everybody, let's dance, swim like a fish. Come on everybody, let's dance, swim like a fish. I use my fins to flip and flop around. I use my tail to splish and splosh. Come on everybody, let's dance, swim like a Braxton fish. Look at him go! Come on everybody, let's dance, swim like a fish. Well, I use my fins to flip and flop around. I use my tail to splish and splosh. Come on everybody, let's dance, swim like a blue and green and yellow fish. Come on everybody, let's dance, swim like a fish. I use my fins to flip and flop around. I use my tail to splish and splosh. Shake our hips with Wags the dog. Turn your head and groove along. Shake your hands and move your knees. We're dancing with Wags the dog. Put your hands up in the air. Point them down once you got them there. Now skip along like Wags would do. We're dancing with Wags the dog. Now we're singing it too. Now Wags digging, we're all digging too. So shake our hips with Wags the dog. Turn your head and groove along. Shake your hands and move your knees. We're dancing with Wags the dog. Now we're singing it too. You can sing it too. Ruff, 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 ruff. Now Wags digging. Yes, we're all digging too. It's Wags the dog. Play your guitar with Simon. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Simon.
Let's all play and sing.
He loves to sing while he strums a chord. He loves to play for Captain Feathersword.
Play guitar,
guitar with Simon. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Simon.
Let's all play and sing.
Well, love to sing while the drums are
Look out,
singing. Hey! Loves to play for Captain Feathersword.
Wow, that's really groovy.
Now play your guitar with Simon. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Simon.
Let's all play and sing.
Come on, everybody, get the guitars and play them with the king of guitar players, Simon. Oh yeah. Come on, man. You can do it, Lights. Come on. Go for it. He's so cool. Play your guitar with Simon. Play your guitar with him. You guys okay? Play your guitar with Simon.
Let's all play and sing.
Come on and play your guitar with Simon. Play your guitar with him. Play your guitar with Simon. Let's all play